Well, I may not know where I'm going. Hell, I couldn't tell you where I've been. Alright guys, well, a lot of people online when I was on forums about sailing videos on YouTube wanted to see the actual work. Well, this episode's going to be a lot of just fast cuts of the actual work. We got to clean the boat, so here we go. Give the people what they want. Alright, well, got to clean the boat out. Should probably take off these stays, but I am waiting until I have all my organization figured out, because there's so many little parts. I want to know exactly where everything's going to go, and I don't like my current method, putting it in a huge box. That kind of stresses me out. So for now, I'll just tie these off. Really tight. So left over right, right over left. And that should help a little until I figure out where I want to put them. But we need to get this out of here. Okay. Work smart, not hard. Come on, man. Okay, unfortunately, a bunch of the screws that hold these boards in place are stripped. When you're putting in screws, fasteners, pre-drill them. If you notice they're having a hard time going, maybe drill it just a hair wider, dip it in some wax or something, but don't force them so they strip. And don't install the screws with the impact. Install them with a drill and set your drill so if it starts fighting it, it clicks like a ratchet and doesn't force them. Because now, the 5-10 seconds extra it would have cost to take your time putting them in, this is going to take me a long time to get these out because they're stainless. That means I have to drill them all out. Don't strip your screws. Schooner and Diesel here being the goodest boys. I can't believe it.
Well, me and Sonny started plugging away at it. We had a bunch of different cleaners. We weren't sure which one would be the best, but the mold armor really did a good job. And later, so did the outdoor cleaner. Sonny's only 8 years old, and he stuck it out in like 100 degrees in this boat cleaning for quite a long time. I'm really proud of him. He's excited to sleep in the boat. I told him we couldn't sleep out in the boat until it was clean, and he just got in there and cleaned. So part of this project is wanting to pass down sailing to the next generation as well. So I'm really excited anytime he takes an interest. Well, all right, guys, the boat's all cleaned up. Looks just infinitely better. Feel great about it. I used this mold armor. It worked really good. It's supposed to prevent mold, but she'll be getting painted with an acrylic anti-mold paint at some point just to try to prevent any growth. But yeah, we'll be doing the billages, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode as we put up the canopy.